So this one is when you want to express uncertainty, whether something will happen or will not happen. Okay, that's when you use this conjunction ki, and then sometimes you also supplement it with ki nahi. Okay, right? So ki or ki nahi. So it's essentially ki or ki nahi. Okay, so let's say my, someone, your friend, let's say Rahul, it's like your roommate, let's say, and you're not sure whether he will go to the office or not. Uncertainty. Okay, so one is Rahul will go to office, would be Rahul office jayega. Rahul will go to the office, future indefinite ega, masculine singular, right? Stacy office jayegi. Okay, so if you want to say whether Rahul will go to the office or not, Rahul office jayega ki nahi, whether he will go to the office or not. Okay, right now I just wrote one simple sentence. We will do both of them as well. Okay, I just wanted to kind of do a quick whiteboard of that as well, so at least you conceptually understand it. I'm gonna go back to it so you can see these examples and try to make sense of it, because these are longer. So look at this example. Don't worry about the translation yet. I don't know whether she is coming or not. So two sentences, I don't know and she is coming or not. They are combined together with uncertainty, whether. I don't know, मैं नहीं जानता और मुझे नहीं पता, whether कि she is coming or not, वह आ रही है कि नहीं. Okay, don't jump to translation yet, just try to at least understand the structure. That will help you out a lot. Second one is he does not know whether they are ready or not. Same thing, two sentences, uncertainty, conjunction is whether. We don't know whether it will rain or not. So far you all know how to say we don't know. Okay, you know it will rain or not. It will rain. Two sentences. She asked whether I was free or not. Okay, don't jump to the translation yet, otherwise it will bother you. He asked whether the movie has started or not. Same thing, I wonder whether they got the message or not. Okay, they don't know whether we are serious or not. Okay, typically there are other tools, as Sunny pointed out, that you can use, yeah, but Hindi speakers also use ki. Okay, sometimes ki nahi is an implied part, like, so for example, the same sentence you can say, I don't know whether she is coming or not. So in English also you could say, I don't know whether she is coming, and it's implied that the second part is, you don't have to say or not. So just like in English you can say, मैं नहीं जानती कि वह आ रही है. Okay, so it's implied that even though you not said ki nahi, it's implied there. Beautiful, right? He does not know, वह नहीं जानता, whether they are ready or not, कि वे तैयार हैं कि नहीं. Okay, so same thing, उसे नहीं पता कि वे तैयार हैं कि नहीं. So we don't know is हम नहीं जानते और हमें नहीं पता whether कि बारिश आएगी कि नहीं और बारिश होगी कि नहीं. She asked, to ask is पूछना, right? So and it's past, it's a transitive verb. She, because you asked something. So उसने पूछा कि मैं फ्री हूँ कि नहीं. Okay, मैं व्यस्त हूँ कि नहीं. You can say that as well. They don't know, उन्हें नहीं पता, okay, और वे नहीं जानते whether कि हम गंभीर हैं कि नहीं. Okay, so I know this was slightly, some of the sentences was definitely harder. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a small exercise. It's for the second use case. You can take a screenshot. I'm gonna record it in audio and I'm gonna send it to each of you. Okay,